Would you like to activate your own personal power right there within you right now? If so, then this is probably going to be quite a useful video for you as we use our Reiki aspects to bring that very thought to fruition. Because who doesn't want to be in that place of confidence, exuding that beautiful golden energy? Shall we tap into that? Oh, let's go through that right now then. So the first thing is to think about, where is our solar plexus? I know that's an obvious answer, but obviously it's this, I have rather a capacious one around my midriff, but this is the area where we kind of like build our personal power. It's like the engine room. When you think there's loads going on around that solar plexus, it holds all our digestive organs, it holds the liver's there, isn't it? It's got the spleen, our kidneys are just round the back of it all. So there's a load going on there. And so I call it the engine room of our energetic system, because it's like the unsung hero. You know, the heart gets a lot of credit, rightly so, as does our mind and our third eye and everything else. But the poor old solar plexus, it kind of gets a little bit forgotten. So let's share some love for the solar plexus, as that is where we build our power. Our power gets kind of built from there. It gets instructions, and then we build that power. And so we would look to bring in our Reiki almost to sort of like circumnavigate some of the imbalances that come within our kind of like solar plexus area. You know, we think about, we can get like, you know, get angry there, don't we? You know, we sort of like, that anger rises around our solar plexus. You know, we get that fear, don't you? That sort of like, oh my God, it hits us there. You know, it almost can freeze you, can't it, if you're not careful? And we also, some of us like to people please. We're always like, oh, I'll do that for you because I feel, especially a lot of healers, because that's our energy, isn't it? We want to make people feel good about themselves, but just make sure it's not to the detriment of you feeling good about yourself. And it's not being selfish. It is truly about you just being in your own space. So let's build into that beautiful place, eh? And so why use Reiki? Forgive me for saying why not, but Reiki is a beautiful way of just bringing that wonderful energy into our own solar plexus, building up that beautiful flow, restoring balance. And it helps us with our digestive issues as well sometimes. You know, our digestive, everything can get a little bit, you know, how was I, stuck, shall we say? And we can bring in that Reiki energy with the intention of allowing our thoughts and everything else just to flow a little better, our energy to flow. Because, of course, this is an energetic flow, and we will look to do that. And, of course, we're going to boost our confidence. We're going to look there to be and not be afraid. You know, what are we afraid of? You know, the fear comes from others, so if we can release that fear from others and sometimes of ourselves, just know we're meant to be here. Why not? And again, we can look into the aspects of self-care. What energies can we use to bring in the self-care for ourselves, especially around the solar plexus? People say yellow for the solar plexus, which is right, but I like to go and step it up. Let's use gold. Let's use some beautiful golden energy into our solar plexus. For me, that's the most perfect energy to be bringing there. It makes you feel good. And you can wear gold, of course, you know, gold rings, gold necklaces. Let's take that in, bring that into our lives. Food-wise, the obvious one for me is lemons, provided you're not allergic to lemons, of course. But maybe crush that into a drink with some cider vinegar, knock that down your throat, feel good. And for crystals, citrine crystals is always a good one. Citrine for me is like that energy of confidence, of abundance almost. You know, put a little citrine crystal in your pocket or where you reside. Can do no wrong. So obviously when we look into this aspect, another thing that happens, people kind of like get hooked onto us, don't they? They strap onto us. So it would be nice if we could do some cord cutting. So if you check this video right here, it should be a nice little cord cutting video for you to follow, which we can do that very aspect. And for those who would like to maybe get a creative aspect to their Reiki, I would recommend a little swipe file where I've got some creative practices. If you want that, just type swipe file in the comments. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in this video here.